I go Komaro, I go Koro, I go Komaro, I go Koro. I go all the way from Agodo. Now we 50 floors up in my condo. Money motor like Irodo. Now I wanna show you my logo. Any low. Anywhere money day me I go to. Oti wale, eba mi Oluwa logo.
Nobody can jump it. Unwanted.
I think my toothpaste is doing a good job at what it says it's supposed to do. Because my teeth look whiter than before. Anyways, copyright. You have to move like out a little bit. So the issue now is gonna be my boobs. I'm still talking. Complaints. Or excuses.
You don't want help. Oh.
Told you. Kind of.
You're better at this than me.
Me? My vlog's gonna be like, what type of shadiness is going on here? Being a ninja. A blessing being small. My hair is in the bun. In the bone. Is that your family member?
Yeah, my cousin come from school.
Kaizaku Ari. Look at this beautiful hill behind me. I think it's not good for me to wear shorts like this out in public. Don't want to cause a car accident. I'm just kidding. That was very corny and, you know, I'm not that good looking, but...
The sad part is that's true.
Went to the gym.
One guy will be like, damn.
Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later. And where am I going? Oh,
sorry. Take this right. Right up against the hill.
Or no?
No.
But you know what I'm talking about, right?
Yep.
Sorry, Kyle.
Following right.
Right?
Yeah, following right.
Oh, I'm like, that's not. Wait, that was
This one.
this one.
Mm-hmm.
All right. If we're going up the hill, why it seem like we're going away from the hill?
Just I got through a community.
For the vlog.
Yeah, man. See, it's a Jamaica bad road, isn't it?
Yeah, talk to the vlog, Kyle. Talk to them.
Talk to
The people.
But man, not talk to vlog.
Oh my God, here we go. Oof. Sorry, Kyle. Where am I going next?
Take the left. We can't go over into the gully. Don't contest the bus. Shabbat people. Shabbat people. Alright.
I make impulses like that sometimes. I know it's not good, but you know.
No, because I am afraid of us.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
It's a sorry for everything.
I don't know. I walk into a wall and I say sorry.
It's you're unapologetic, yo.
Very apologetic, you mean? You want me to be unapologetic?
Yeah.
I am in life, but like in certain circumstances, I like to apologize, make me feel good.
That's what she said.
Come on, The Office. I tried watching The Office, and it didn't really make me feel too good. Maybe because I was not in the right mind space.
Yo, The Office is the bomb, yo.
I'll go back to it. It's really funny. Like, I can tell it's funny because I've seen some stuff on Tumblr. Yeah, but I didn't finish episode 1, or I think I got to the end of it and I didn't go on to episode 2. I don't think I'm doing bad.
We're going up the hill.
It's a street. Don't bring me on any main roads because I don't really want to get paranoid because you know Jamaican drivers rough.
Go on.
Isn't that car?
I take time on the road. Deep corner. Power round.
What?
And what do you mean by don't put your pan on main road? You know that we're on a main road a while ago.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I'm talking like town main road now.
Yeah.
Oh my god, the car's right behind me. I feel like I'm going too slow. Am I?
Okay. That's where the rich people are, you know.
How long is this now? The clip.
3 minutes.
Views from the 876. Wow. So pretty.
You know the first place I already work? Like, yeah, my first place was still a fresh company.
Okay.
Turn that for me.
I don't see one. Yeah, there's no pool. The house does go down though. Maybe they have an indoor pool somewhere. Oh, hallelujah. Look at that roof. I like that place. Oh, this is where it ends? Can't be where it ends. If it's gated in the front, does that mean it's... Oh, this is where it ends. It's a roundabout. Wow. The back of this house looks better than the front.
I wonder if I should pull a little dicky.
I'm going there?
Hello? We're shooting a music video about saving money?
Oh, look at that plant.
Deep bush, isn't it?
What's that? Some type of... I need to work on the landscaping back here. It's a beautiful house. These are beautiful houses. We're basically up in the mountains. Basically. I got it. Yeah.
I need always these kind of views, yeah.
You'll get there.
One day. I don't know what I need.
Damn, I can think of the headlines.
Whoa.
What?
That's
See, that's what I'm thinking.
That's some smart architecture right there.
Yeah. I mean, he's building on the side of a hill, so it makes sense. I'm thinking maybe they have a pool down there or something.
As in they have like living quarters.
For servants.
Sir. You're getting paid living. It's not servitude. spend money.
I like this house right here. I really like modern houses, and especially houses like in there. And I think that's a pool right there. Yeah, that house right there I think is nice. Let's go down the hill back to our peasant lives. I'm just kidding. My life and your life is a good life. It's a great life. It's an awesome life because we have life.
Living the life I'm a dream. Living it up with my team. Trusting on myself, me believe. Nobody make nobody tell you say you can't touch